Hi, I'm Ma'am Ange. Today we're going to learn about geometric series. So let's define what is geometric series. Geometric series is a series whose related sequence is geometric. It results from adding the terms of a geometric sequence. In other words, it is the sum of all terms in geometric sequence. So in finding the sum of the first n terms of the geometric series, we use this formula. S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times quantity 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r, where S sub n is the sum of the n term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the term position or number of terms, and of course, r is the common ratio. And your common ratio should not be equal to 1. Why? Because the denominator will be 0, and we don't like that. It will make the fraction undefined. So let's have an example. Find the sum of the first 8 terms of the geometric series if the first term is 1 and common ratio is 2. So for the solution, we need to use this formula and get the given first. So the given are, first term is 1, common ratio is 2, and the number of terms is 8. Substitute the values we have. S sub 8 is equal to 1 times quantity 1 minus 2 raised to 8 all over 1 minus 2. Then simplify this, we have S sub 8 is equal to 1 times quantity 1 minus 256 all over negative 1. And then again, simplify it. We have S sub 8 is equal to 1 times negative 55 all over negative 1. So we have negative 255 divided by negative 1. And so the sum of the first 8 terms of the geometric series is 255. Another example, we have find S sub 10 of the geometric sequence 6, 12, 24. Again, for the solution, we need to use this formula and get the given. So the given are, first term is 6, common ratio is 2, number of terms is 10. And then substitute the values we have. S sub 10 is equal to 6 times quantity 1 minus 2 raised to 10 all over 1 minus 2. And so we simplify it. We have S sub 10 is equal to 6 times quantity 1 minus 1024 divided by negative 1. To simplify it again, we have S sub 10 is equal to 6 times negative 1023 divided by negative 1. And then we simplify it more. We have negative 6,138 divided by negative 1. And so the S sub 10, or the sum of the first 10 terms in the geometric sequence, is 6,138. That's it for now.